Say goodbye to bland breakfast. These low-carb waffles are a game changer for diabetics. And that secret fat-burning ingredient is goat cheese. We need 2 ounces of goat cheese. Goat cheese has 2 times more MCT than cow's cheese. Get this in your life now, because that MCT is going to keep you full. It metabolizes faster, keeps us full. Now we're going to take this over to our microwave because we do need to soften it a little bit. I'm going to microwave it for about 10 to 15 seconds so that it'll soften. That fat-burning goat cheese out of the microwave. And you all know that I bought my goat cheese either at Kroger or Walmart. Yeah, remember, I'm bougie on a bayou. I don't spend a bunch of money. I'm going to take our spatula. We're going to go ahead and kind of soften that goat cheese out. And remember, keeps us full. That has us eating less. 1 ounce of goat cheese is 108 calories. Oh, here's our next ingredient. We're going to use 1 egg. Now, the beauty of the egg, 75 calories, 7 grams of protein. This is amazing. I don't know what I'm doing with the shell, so just put it over to the side. I probably should grab a fork because it's not mixing how I want it to. Yep, definitely gonna need a fork. Okay, y'all know I'm bougie on a bayou. I ain't got fancy equipment, but this is to show you, you don't need fancy equipment to make this fat-burning chaffle. Don't let anyone make you feel guilty. I am going to stir this until it makes kind of like a really smooth, creamy mixture. You see how it's looking fantastic. And remember, gang, this is crazy easy. Walmart, Kroger, come on. And the third and final ingredient is a 1/2 cup of our shredded cheddar cheese. And hello, Walmart. I mean, come on, friends. We don't need to spend all this crazy money. We're going to mix this all together. And gang, here's where the magic happens. Go ahead and plug that Dash waffle iron in. And I have kind of like a little trick that I love to use. I use a ice cream scoop when I am scooping out the mixture to put in our Dash. Remember to spray it with a little bit of non-stick. I don't fill it all the way. I fill it about 3/4 of the way. When we close the Dash, this is super important. We're going to cook it about 4 minutes. Now, your Dash may be a little bit different than mine, so you can go a little bit shorter, a little bit longer. I always go a little bit longer because I love the crunch. This recipe will make about 4. And we're going to go ahead and grab our pizza sauce. I'm going to put it in a little bowl. Now, of course, always look at the label. Make sure the carbs are low because this is what we're going to dip our chaffle in. Be sure to scroll down for the recipe below and give me a like and let me know what you think about it. And for more low carb and laughter, be sure to subscribe to our channel. This recipe stars the wonderful Catalina Crunch cookies. Now, if you haven't seen these before, the good news is they're at so many of our fabulous stores. Y'all know I'm bougie on a bayou. They are at Walmart and Kroger. I personally bought these over at Drug Emporium. Shout out for the place where you found your Catalina Crunch cookies. And I love these because 2 of these cookies, 6 grams of fat. The net carbs in these is only 5. And here's the awesome thing. It's sweetened with allulose and stevia. Now, you see, I don't really have an awesome method of smashing these. You could be sweet and innocent and all Southern like I am and not break a sweat and use your fingers. Or if you've been watching Dr. Death like I have, you get that rolling pin and you smash up them crackers. And you know, it always kind of reminds me if I left the refrigerator door open and it was like a shoe would come across me from my mom saying, close the fridge. So think of something like that whenever you're smashing these cookies all up. And one more thing, these cookies are vegan. Not that really matters to me, but hey, you may have a vegan in the family, so go ahead for that. Now, surprise, surprise, if you watch this channel, you know that the fat-burning ingredient is goat cheese. Now, 1 ounce of goat cheese, 108 calories, 7 grams of protein, no sugar in there. You see that I'm adding that goat cheese to this. We added to there because it contains MCT oil. Now, MCT oil coming from the goat cheese. When I said MCT oil, it contains MCT, but that's 2 times more than that of cow's cheese. And MCT helps promote a feeling of fullness. So we're not going to overeat, hence the fat burning potential. And then, gang, the other cool things about this is that goat cheese contains beta casein, which is much easier for us to digest. And my husband is lactose intolerant, so the goat cheese definitely plays a huge role in our life. Let me know in the comments if you are a fan family member is lactose intolerant, because I don't know about y'all, but my husband will straight up eat ice cream knowing he's lactose intolerant, and I will run out of the bedroom that night because you know why. You know why. And or if you're still watching this and getting some fun out of this, a little low carb and laughter, make sure to subscribe. Let's go and microwave that 4 ounces of our goat cheese. Did I say that it was 4 ounces of goat cheese? For about 10 to 20 seconds, we want to get it soft. Y'all notice ain't no fancy schmancy kitchen. We're going to go ahead and add that egg to this. You know we love eggs in our kitchen. 75 calories, 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat. And you can use a fork like I do, because I ain't got no fancy equipment, boo. This is our simple kitchen. You can use a cute little whisk. We're going to mix this, and you're going to notice that this is a lot thicker than the typical chaffle. Do not let that at all bother you. This is exactly what it is supposed to look like. Now go ahead and grab that dash. It's at all your stores, Walmart, because I'm bougie on a bayou. And you've seen me do this before. I love to use the ice cream scoop. And one more time, gang, do not let the thickness of this batter scare you. It is supposed to be like this. It is because of the goat cheese. Remember, goat cheese has that tangy flavor, that MCT oil. You put it in your dash, and notice it is not spreading out, so you need a little help. Use that ice cream scoop to spread it out. We're going to cook it for 4 minutes. We're going to have an amazing finished product, and I want you to look at this. It is so good, gang. I promise the entire family would love this. And give me a little bit of a like, give me some love, and subscribe to this channel if you want to eat this and you want a little bit more low carb and laughter. Scroll below for the recipe. Much love. You can't make zucchini chaffles without zucchini. Now, I have to eat some crow. You know that zucchini and I do not get along. Y'all know I feel like those noodles really belong in the trash can. But I wanted to figure out a way to use zucchini in cooking, because it is so amazing for us. It really is, gang. A cup of zucchini has 17 calories, 3 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber, making it 2 net carbs. It's heart healthy. It's amazing for our vision. So I kind of did a little bit of a thought process of what did I have when I was young that was excellent that contained zucchini, and it's zucchini fritters. Everybody's mama's made some zucchini fritters. Put it in the comment section if your mama made some good zucchini fritters, or even apple fritters, or pretty much anything fritter was amazing that they made. We're using 1/2 of our zucchini. Now you see that I have a vegetable peeler. I'm peeling it. If you have some tips or tricks on how to peel this a little bit faster, I am all ears. Just write it in that comment section below for me. And we are going to take a sharp knife and really chop up this zucchini. Now, I am no Gordon Ramsay, so it ain't pretty and it ain't all even. I'm not using my food processor, even though y'all gonna tell me to. Jesus, take the wheel, because Mama Bear don't feel like cleaning no food processor, y'all. Put your zucchini to the side. We're gonna add our egg in our bowl. Y'all see my cute little whisk. I love it. I think it was a stocking stuffer from my mama one year for Christmas. We love eggs in this clinic. 1 egg, 75 calories, 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat. We're going to give that egg a little bit of a whisk. We're going to add that chopped up zucchini to this. And gang, if you're loving this recipe and you want more low carb and laughter, be sure to subscribe. Go ahead and do that right now and click that bell. And then to finally top this off, we are adding a 1/2 cup of our shredded cheese. Go ahead and give that a wonderful mix and meet me at the dash. So we're at the dash and we made sure it's plugged in. We're going to give it a little spray with our nonstick cooking spray. Great value. Y'all know I can't go one video without giving a little shout out to my Walmart, because y'all know I'm bougie on a bayou. Y'all know this by now. I love using an ice cream scoop. We're going to go ahead and scoop that mixture in our dash, close the lid, cook it for 4 minutes. The magic is about to happen, gang. Look at that. Look at this, how beautiful, and oh my gosh, it is so crispy. If you didn't get to write down the recipe, scroll in the comments section below. And gang, for more low carb and laughter with your girl Shelly, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Much love, gang. Bye-bye.